Welcome, Aaron with Open Concept Construction. Today we are going to be fixing a ceiling beam. We are actually in Eric's cabin, his family cabin that he's been coming to his entire life. The beam ripped down while nobody was here. It just fell. It had a fan attached to it. Somehow it fell. However that happened. We're going to reinstall the 2x8 to the ceiling, and then we've got some brand new 1x12 material, and we're going to rebuild that same beam in the same place with a backing plate inside of it for the ceiling fan to be reattached.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah. Maybe I should go at an angle like this?
You could, that's fine. It doesn't matter.
Like that.
If you want to pass me that drill. Are we feeling it? On camera, we can't screw this one up.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, what? Everybody from OSHA just held their breath.
You got that one.
All right, let me get one more here.
Anyway. I also wasn't overly concerned about the screen not matching exactly because it's so dark up here.
It is. Well, I tried to take a picture of you while you were up there working. I'm like, no.
Smells good.
It does smell good. Is this cedar?
Yeah.
Is that what it was before? I thought it was pine.
No. If everything else is pine and I bought cedar, I'm gonna be pissed.
You swingy?
Yep.
Oh yeah, baby. We're literally gonna put one end in, and this person is gonna move it up and down, and we're just gonna like pin. We're gonna work our way down. It's gonna be so simple.
Right.
This is the only place where we're really gonna have to build anything. I want to build some infrastructure in here for the fan. That's nothing. $133.5.
There we go.
Check it for fit first. It's perfect, you'll just have to do.
The beam is in, the fan is in. The fan got put in and for some reason it's not working. So next step is to chase down some electrical demons. The beam color, well done, young Eric, well done. He picked a good color. The moose did get in our way, but I think it adds a lot of ambiance to the room. The bear, it's terrifying. So, like, subscribe, do all the stuff. We are gonna get out of here.